All
right, we are back at the river, and we're at the same place that I caught all them bass the other day in the last video, but I'm gonna brim fish today. I'm gonna try throwing this guy around for a while. Probably works. I mean, it'll probably work. If it don't, I do got crickets. Also got Colton and Maya, but they're probably gonna bass fish since I caught so many bass the other day and they wasn't with me. Maybe we can catch some fish. I'm hoping to catch a good mess of brim. We'll see what happens. It's been raining for like 3 hours. It's supposed to stop at any moment. First cast in the flux tangle.
Definitely a brim. Yeah,
Got him.
in a tree.
First bass of the day for Colton. Little old guy. Alright, since I'm the only one brim fishing, I figured I better use something that catches more brim. I didn't give the other lure a whole lot of time, honestly. But it's alright. At least a nibble. Oh. Stump knocker. Not a bad little guy. Your average stump knocker. First fish I'm gonna keep today. I forgot my little cooler. Somehow. That's all I got, the string. Makeshift stringer, I guess. Is that a fish? Yeah. Oh, that's a decent fish. Let's go. Another nice little stump knocker. These ain't real big fish, but just average stump knockers. That's not a bad fish at all there. That's a red belly. Let's go. First red belly. Not too bad one at all. Too bad of one at all. Oh, there he is. Got him. He hit my cork the first time, and then he turned around and went back down and got it. Another good stump knocker. Decent one anyways. There's got to be one right there on this little tiny island next to all them cypress knees. Gots to be. Prime spot. Should be multiple. Yep, there he is. Already. Stump knocker. Got a nice little orange tint to him. This river's loaded with these guys. Loaded. Yeah, I just caught that guy. That's a dang nice stump knocker. Biggest one so far by a long shot. And my camera was dead. Gots to pay more attention. Oh crap, that was fast. Okay, that's a good fish. That's a bass. He's gonna hang me up. Ain't no way I'm getting him out of there. I got him hung in a tree. Come on, dude. Get out of the tree. I got him. I really thought that was gonna break off. Well, nice little bass on a cricket. Bass are still biting. I bet Colton and Maya, they're way up ahead of me on the trail, probably killing them. They've been bass fishing the whole time. Oh, there he is. Oh, okay. That's a nice little keeper fish. Nice, nice. Getting a good little mess already. Oh, good brim just hitting that corner. Oh, he ate my cricket. My cricket fell off and he smacked it. No. I gotta get it back in there. My cricket flew off when I threw it. The fish hit the cricket floating on top. He's in there. Just gotta get it in there to him. Perfect. As long as my cricket stayed on that time. There he is. He got it too. That's a decent one. Another big stump knocker. Oh, that's a dang nice size one. Oh yeah. Good one. And he's gone. He's not gone. I don't know how I just saved that. Look at that. Pretty good stump knocker. Oh, that was a quick sink there. It's gonna be a good one. Yeah, it is. No, not as big as I thought. But it is another nice stump knocker though. Some perfect eating fish. Oh, that's a good one. What is that? Is that a big stumpy? It is a huge stump knocker. That's the biggest one so far. Fine one. Look at that guy. All right, I'm tired of toting around the cricket basket, so it's time to switch to this little white beetle span. Colton's got his little bass worm. They've been wrecking the bass. They finally came back to the truck. They was way upstream from me. See if I can't catch a little bit bigger fish, maybe a few big red bellies. Y'all ain't been doing it though. I'm talking about when I was bass fishing. There's a good fish. Guess what it is? Another bass.
Oh, that was so worthy. Fuck, I couldn't cut the hook.
Bunch of little baby bass. Was that a big bass?
I don't know. Big something.
There he is. That's a... Hey guys, it's a decent bass. Looks like the only thing hitting beetle spins is bass. The third one. Yeah, y'all could have caught this one easily. They just threw their bass worms right here and didn't catch nothing. Hooked him good too. Got him. Got him. What is that? It's a nice bass. I really don't want to lose my beetle spin. No! I got some real light line. These hooks are pretty easy to break. Let's go. Beetle spin bass killing it, son. I'm out fishing them now. That's a nice one too. Hey, y'all, hold on a second. Look at that guy.
Yeah, that one is holding. We might be outdone here.
How big is yours?
Mine was fatter, 138.
A pound and 3/8. What's that one?
125.
1.6, son. Might say. Well, man, I done caught a bass bigger than y'all on a beetle spin. Apparently. Ain't very long though. It's a pretty little fish. That belly on it. Chunky fellas. You must not be setting the hook good or something. This beetle spin right here is sticking them. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's a brim, finally.
How you carrying?
In a bag. Finally got a brim on the beetle spin. After, what, 4 bass? Ain't even very big. It'll work though. That's a, what? Is it a brim? I've got like 12 brim, man. Well, dang. On the bass worm. That's a nice one. That's a warmouth. Dang good one. In the bag. Yeah, I'm using a bag now because that string was just a pain.
There's one right there.
We ain't staying away from the truck too long anyways. Caught one on this stump and one right there. I got a good fish. Dadgummit. Baby bass. Tired of these little baby bass, bruh.
No, you're not.
I am.
Nope. You know you can't never be tired of bass.
I am. I want to catch a brim.
It's a lie.
And, or at least a big one. Fish next to you.
There's a brim on that tree.
On the dish tree? Right there? Oh, he just hit it too. Is that a mudfish?
I had a mudfish.
I don't have any more bait. Oh, God. Is that a mud?
Oh, no.
Why did it sound so loud?
Because he's jumping and flashing.
I just hooked the mud and he took my last beetle spin. That's the biggest one so far. That's a chunk, man. Look at the belly on that dude.
I don't know.
He's bigger than the one I caught, I think. He's fat.
Yeah, I'd say two.
Dang it, I lost
That's what they called him.
my beetle spin.
I think it's the biggest. I think we got Josh beat.
I think he does. I hope y'all beat me. That way I don't beat y'all on the beetle spin. I gotta go back to the truck anyways.
Same way.
No, 1.6.
He's wiggling. No, I beat you by an ounce. Or not an ounce, 0.1.
No, that's not good enough. It's going
It's the
between
same
0.6 to 1.65.
Well, we tied, Josh.
That's the same size as the one I caught on the beetle spin. Y'all are doing sad, my guys. Well, you know, the only thing hitting the beetle spin was bass. I caught one little brim on it and then a mudfish took it. But we got a nice little mess. I don't know why I used this giant cooler. I think there's 13 brim in there. I caught quite a few bass too, and I caught the biggest bass, even though Colton and Maya was fishing all day for bass. And I caught him on a beetle spin.
You did not catch the biggest.
They claim they caught one after I walked away. I don't believe them. Pretty good day. Thank y'all for watching.